This tutorial video is simply a follow-up video to our most recent video upload.
So guys, you can see we've basically unboxed and installed a brand new generator. Okay, but this is what our client told us. He says that we should try to adjust the petrol consumption of this generator. And like you would already know, we've posted a lot of videos of how to reduce the petrol consumption of generator, and then we'll be doing that to this generator. So I'll put on the generator again so you understand better what I'll be doing. I'll put on the generator again. So I wanted you guys to hear the sound of the generator, because what we'll be doing is simple. We'll be applying just two basic techniques to this because it's a brand new generator, and of course more tweaking is not necessary. So we'll just apply just two tweaks to it, and I do believe it's going to cut down the petrol consumption by 50%. I am 100% sure of that. Alright, first of all is this: we'll reduce the speed of the generator. For most generators, they are set to the maximum power, okay, the maximum speed. So what we'll be doing here now, we'll reduce the speed of the generator. So, and the point to reduce it is simple. There is a screw just on top of your carburetor. This is the carburetor, right? The carburetor is there, right? And this is the screw I'm referring to. You tilt the screw to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So what we've successfully done now is we've reduced the speed of the generator, knowing fully where the higher the speed of the generator, the higher the petrol consumption. So we've done that first tweak. Number 1 tweak, we reduce the speed of the generator. Number 2 tweak is this. We'll be using a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, to actually do this. So you can check any of your stores around, and I guess you'll be able to see this screwdriver. So what you need to do now is to tighten this air petrol ratio screw to the end, right? So I've tightened it to the end. Then I'll lose it 2 or 3 times. 1, that's 1 circle. 2 is 2 circles. 2 circles is enough, okay? So what we need to do now is to put on the generator and observe how it sounds. So if I put on the generator and for some reason I observe the generator has a jerking sound, all I need to do is to tweak that screw again, because at that point I would know the generator needs more petrol or more air, as the case may be, to work. So I'll put on the generator now and observe the sound for the next, let's say, 60 seconds. Okay guys, it works perfectly. With this, the user will enjoy his generator better. So guys, that is it from us on this particular class. If you love our videos, I bid you to like this video, so YouTube is able to know that this video is of high value, and of course so they promote it better. If you've not subscribed and you've been watching our videos, I honestly do not know what to say to you. Please do well to subscribe, so when other videos are posted on this channel, you are among the first to see them. Till we meet in our next class, guys, it's goodbye from us.